Hi, welcome to the galley. In the galley today, ginger shots. Because I think ginger shots are the perfect way to start your day. If you have an ounce or 2 ounce ginger shot every morning, it's really going to wake you up and brighten up your day. Now, if you have these ginger shots daily, it's going to help you fight inflammation. So those sore muscles, chronic joint pain, it's definitely going to help with that. It's also going to help aid in your digestion because we all know ginger's great for that. It is going to boost your immunity. It can also help with blood sugar. It can help maintain insulin sensitivity. And they're also really good for your cardiovascular health. They're going to help lower your blood pressure and lower your cholesterol. And it's just so easy to make. I have a half a cup fresh ginger chopped up. And then you want a quarter of a teaspoon of ginger, or if you have fresh ginger, just throw a piece in there. Now you can do a quarter of a cup of just the lemon juice, or honestly, you can just throw the whole lemon in there. A tablespoon of honey, and then you want a little pepper because pepper works with the turmeric to kind of activate it. So you can do a pinch of cayenne or a pinch of black pepper, and then a half a cup filtered water. And now your strongest blender or food processor, you're gonna give this a big, huge whirl. The smell is amazing. Strain this through a fine mesh strainer. Now I did add a little extra water. It's just a little thick for me, so you can be the judge of that. Add between a half a cup and a cup of water. Let's have a taste. It is got a kick. I mean, it's sharp, but it's also bright, and it doesn't take your breath away. Now, when I'm home on the boat, I have my little tiny ice cube trays, and I freeze mine because it's just easier for me to do a bunch up at a time and freeze them. And then I just pop one of those cubes into my tea in the morning. But you can get these little jugs. These are 2 ounce little glass jars. You can also do 1 ounce if you only want to have 1 ounce in the morning. This made me 5. Sometimes it makes 4. Sometimes it makes 5, depending on how much water you add. And this is going to be my ginger shot. We'll finish this. Now, the thing about making your own is you get to pick the ingredients. And if you're out there buying like pills with turmeric, you have to be careful. You have to know where they came from and know where your turmeric came from and know where your ginger came from. So I'd like to make my own, and then I know all the ingredients in it, and then you just get to start your day. Now, again, this is a 2 ounce. I have linked in the recipe 1 ounce jars and 2 ounce jars in case you want to get you some jars. But just start your morning with a ginger shot. I promise you, give it a couple weeks and see if you don't feel better. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you later. Bye.